The graph below models the path of a roller coaster. The x-axis represents the ground. So this is the ground and this is the roller coaster. And they ask you the following question. Using the factors in the box below, so they give you a whole bunch of factors, create a possible function that models the path of the roller coaster. And one of the key things is that you are able to use a factor more than once. Now let's go and look at the function. In this case, we have, what is the degree of the function? We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So therefore your degree should be x to the 4th power. Positive or negative? This is ending up in positive. It's going to positive infinity, so therefore this should be positive. And I'm going to find the roots. The roots in this case we have 1, 2, 3. Remember, your roots are also called your x-intercepts, or your zeros, or your solutions. In this case will be negative 3. Second root will be x equal to positive 2. And the next one is x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if you notice, we have 3 roots, but this is to the 4th power. Since this is barely touching it and then coming back up, this one counts for 2 of them. This is another root and this is the third, and that way we end up with 4. So therefore, when we write it down, remember that we are going backwards. So if this is x is equal to negative 3, we're going to place as x plus 3 as the opposite, because once you use your zero prior property, you're going to move the 3 to the right, it becomes a negative. And we're going to use that one twice. It counts for 1, 2. The next one is x equal to 2, so therefore x is equal to x minus 2. So once we move to the right, it becomes a positive 2. The last one is x equal to 5, so this will be x minus 5. And ideally, you should be able to multiply this out to get a polynomial, but they're not asking you to do so. The last question, it says define the interval in which the roller coaster is below ground level. So if you look at the function, where is it below ground level? It's just in this section here. So between which axis? So between starting at x equal to 2, going all the way over to x equal to 5. So in that interval, that's where it goes below ground. And you guys can see it very clearly between 2 and 5.